Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Fisch 1, 8+ and any required mod enabled. Once done, check you have 5,000 fish currency, a harpoon and bait pack. Those are consumables for the capture attempt. Next, open the Orca unlock toggle in settings or confirm you finished tutorial milestone 3. This allows the spawn event. Follow these initial steps now. They gate the entire process and prevent wasted time on failed spawns, so make sure each item and flag is present. You travel to Deep Bay at the storm window to trigger the Orca event. Timing here matters because spawn probability rises during rough weather. Once at 42. 7N, 12. 3E, drop bait in half-pack intervals every 5 minutes and ready the harpoon. Repeated baiting increases aggro so the Orca approaches. Make sure your stealth is below 30% and your boat speed stays at or under 5 knots. This prevents scaring it off while you build the encounter probability. You'll see a tail flash. This is your firing cue. Aim and release the harpoon within 1 second for a successful tether. Once hit, follow the 3 skill actions. Stabilize the tether to prevent snap, reel with controlled bursts, then manage bleeding to keep the Orca from escaping. Do these in sequence to maximize capture odds. If it despawns, don't panic. Wait 15 minutes, rebait, double-check stealth and boat speed. Then re-attempt. That reset clears the spawn cooldown and fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.